Tadasana is one of the asanas that can be done at 2, 3, 4 different levels. Today we are going to demonstrate 3 different levels of Tadasana. One will be just resting on your feet with maximum stretch. Next will be on your toes with maximum stretch. And the third will be trying to do standing on your toes as much as you can with eyes closed. Now, if you have seen the previous standing namaskar, you will realize that when you close your eyes, the balance requirement is immense. Here we go with the basic Tadasana. Vaishali has composed herself and she's getting her arms straight up. And now you will notice that she will get her arms straight up and stretched up enough that there is stretch besides the ribs. The arms are beside the head. There is no daylight between the head and the arms. The fingertips are stretched and the whole body from heel to the tips of the fingers is under full stretch. This is called Tadasana Basic. Now the idea is to hold that posture as long as you can with relaxed breathing. It is not as easy as it looks maintaining balance standing on your feet. It looks easy, but the idea is equal weight on both your feet. Now when she is ready, she is going to move on to trying to get the advanced level where she is going to go up on her toes. To do that, she is going to have a break, she is going to relax her arms a bit, and now she is getting ready to go to stretching her feet so that she can go up on her toes. Remember, it is a fine balance between how high you go up on your toes and hold your balance rather than skip and drop. So the whole idea is not to fall but to concentrate and focus on your balance. Here she goes up on her toes and she's gone up all the way, up to her toes only, and she's managing beautifully. Now at this stage she's managing quite well, but as you hold on longer it gets difficult. Now we are going to introduce the third set of higher level difficulty, where in this position she is going to try to close her eyes. And it is natural that she will come down on her toes a little bit, keeping only the heels off, but closing her eyes. She is not yet closing her eyes, she is trying, and as she is trying, she is struggling. So she has managed to close her eyes, but you will see that her heels have come down a bit, but they are not touching. But you can also see that she is struggling because it is immense hard work. And then when she is ready, she will be finished.